Go up, in English. Elevate your language skills. Hello, language learners. Today, we're going to discuss a very common phrasal verb in English. Go up. This phrase might sound simple, but it's used in many different contexts with various meanings. Understanding how to use it properly can elevate your English skills to a new level. So, buckle up and let's go up together. Go up is a phrasal verb which usually involves the movement of something in an upwards direction. But in English, it often goes beyond its literal meaning. It's important to know that phrasal verbs can have multiple meanings, depending on the context. Here are some common ways go up is used. 1. Increase. The prices of vegetables have gone up. 2. Being built. A new skyscraper is going up downtown. 3. Explode or catch fire. The car went up in flames. 4. Be raised or hoisted. The flag went up at dawn. Now let's dive deeper with some more examples and contexts. In the context of prices or rates, go up signifies an increase. For example, the cost of living has gone up recently. When referring to buildings or structures, go up suggests construction or erection of the building. For example, new houses are going up on our street. Go up can also refer to explosions or catching fire. For example, the fireworks went up in the sky. In the context of raising or hoisting something, go up is used. For example, the balloon went up in the air. Try to identify other examples in your daily life where the phrasal verb, go up, is used. To solidify our understanding, let's practice. I'll give you some sentences, and you fill in the blanks with, go up. 1. The temperature is expected to, blank, tomorrow. 2. His approval rating has, blank, since the last survey. 3. The curtain, blank, and the play began. 4. With the new law, taxes are likely to, blank, next year. Remember, practice makes perfect. So, keep practicing these sentences and make up some of your own. And that wraps up our lesson on the phrasal verb, go up. Now, you should have a much better understanding of how to use it in various contexts. Keep practicing and remember that learning English is a journey, and it's okay to stumble. The more you use these phrases, the more natural they will feel. See you in our next video where we'll go up another rung on the ladder of English language learning. Until then, keep practicing, and happy learning.